This is an interview with the creator of the Women from Cosmos NFT collection. Her name is Maria, and she is an established artist who is releasing these NFTs on the Stargaze Blockchain on March 11th. This is the day of the Genesis mint for Stargaze, and her project was one of the 15 selected to be the first ever to launch. In this interview, you will hear what makes Women from Cosmos such a desirable collection, what utility she has built into the project, and her long-term vision, which includes building a community that supports not only women artists in the NFT space, but women in Web3 in general. She hand makes each one of these NFTs one by one, and this is a really small collection of unique pieces. The mint price will be 600 stars tokens each. However, you will hear in the interview why it's going to be a little bit difficult to get your hands on one of these. I will leave all pertinent links in the description, including my own NFT research. It's a shared file containing the Genesis Mint information that I can dig up on social media in one convenient place. And I would appreciate it if you could watch this video to the end, like it, share it, and let me know if you're going to try to be one of the lucky ones to end up with a Women from Cosmos NFT.
Women from Cosmos will be minting on the Stargaze Genesis Day. This is Maria. She's the creator. Can you introduce yourself and a little bit of background information, the inspiration for your project?
Of course. Hi, guys. I wanted to thank you for having me here. My name is Maria. I am the founder and creator behind Women from Cosmos. I'm also a 2D artist and illustrator. I've been working on selling in other platforms before coming here to Stargaze. And well, if you check my work, you will realize that no matter the style I use, I always create inspired by women. So that was the main inspiration behind this whole project.
I've heard you say that one of your goals is to make women more visible, more seen in NFTs, but also Web3. Can you explain that a little bit?
Yeah, exactly. I created Women from Cosmos with the aim to celebrate unique, strong, and empowered women. Also to try to build a really nice community around it. But I really want to make us women sing, as you said, not only on the NFTs, also on the Web3, because if you check the data, you will realize that percentage is really, really low of the women involved on Web3. So with this project, I have different ideas, but the main one is to give back to community and support another woman, also female artists, with some of the percentage of the sales with this project.
Okay, so the project is going to be 100 individual pieces, and your avatar right now is a sample of one of those. It's from the current Stargaze collection. Is that right?
Exactly. The main point of this collection, different with the other one, is like this is a one-on-one PFP collection, and this is mean that every single piece is created one by one by me. So that's why obviously it's taking me more time, because every piece from the head till the end require time, and I wanted to make it also unique and exclusive. So yes, it's gonna be 100 pieces. Then you will find different races between all the women from Cosmos after every drop, because now we're dropping the Genesis drop, but there are gonna be more in the future. After every drop, a new race will reveal.
And the races have their own rarities. Is that right? Not every race, it won't be equal throughout.
Exactly. Every race will have the different rarities, also their story and description. Then people could play around that.
Got it. Does your current avatar is part of the collection, or you made that one just for you to kind of show off?
No, actually, it is part of the collection. Was, I think, the third one I created. It's really special for me, but it's gonna be on sale soon.
Great. Okay. And I also heard you talk a lot about the utility of the individual NFTs. Yes, they're art. You're an artist, right? You're actually an established artist with different collections on different platforms. Can you comment on the different utility features of the collection?
Yes, of course. So I wanted to create with this a part, obviously, of the inspiration behind of helping other women and make us sing, like represent us. I wanted to give utility to the NFTs and not, yes, you buy the NFT and that's it. So with that, I'm meaning that every holder of Women from Cosmos will have different benefit, like for example, voting rights, also participation on raffles, collaboration, giveaways, airdrop, and also the most important, which is the Women from Cosmos Give Back initiative, which is the main core behind this idea of giving back. And this initiative is based on the idea of, give back to community and also support other women. So after every drop, we will take a percentage from the sales. We will create a community wallet in where we will purchase from other NFT projects led by women or from another female one-on-one artist. And after that, we will, raffle that NFTs between our holders. So at the end, you will also receive a benefit from that.
Got it. Okay. And as far as the voting, what are some things that people will be able to vote on?
Well, actually, as I mentioned in other spaces, for me, community is really key in this project. As I was saying, I really want to build a nice community all together. So yes, from the beginning, even created the woman, I'm asking everyone on the Discord, give me your feedback. What do you want to see? But in this specific topic, it's going to be, for example, for the Give Back initiative, all the holders, they will decide which is going to be the artist, which is going to be the project we want to support, what do you want to do, because all these plans obviously will depend on the growth and how the project develop itself. But every new step is going to be both by the community and it's going to be decided by them.
Got it. Do you have any partners? Is there a team or is it really just you?
It's me.
Just you.
I
Okay.
am the founder, the creator, the marketer, I'm everything. Well, actually, I'm being helped by Starlight, which is a group of people who is helping people to mint in Stargaze because, as you can imagine, I have zero coding knowledge. And Stargaze is going to be through coding if you want to launch your collection. So I had to ask for help, but it's just me.
Got it. Okay. And the mint will happen on Stargaze. The Genesis mint was pushed up till March 11th, and it seems like it gives people a little bit more time to prepare. And you were able to actually add some individual pieces into this drop. The original drop was only supposed to be 20 out of the 100. Is that right?
Well, actually, the beginning was supposed to be 10. But then a lot of people were coming, were really interested. So I was like, okay, let's push. I've been working till really, really early hours every day, like non-stop, not even weekend, to come with more pieces. So, at the end, I want everyone to have your Woman from Cosmos. And with this extra time, it's bringing me the opportunity to also open public minting, because at the beginning I only have the whitelisted people, and now you also have pieces to be minted on public, which is great, I think.
And so the total mint for your project will be 36. Is that correct?
Yes, now for the Genesis drop, it's going to be 36 or 37, depending on one collaboration I have of another whitelist giveaway. But yes, it's going to be that.
Okay. And how many of the 36 will be available for public?
They're going to be available 10.
10. this is going to be a really tough mint for someone who's not on the whitelist. But I think the way you're doing it, you're going to have multiple minting opportunities over time.
Yes, that's for sure. And I want to, to tell everybody to have this clear that it's going to be more drops, and also actually even with the other 6 new whitelisted slots, they are going to be through giveaways. So it's not like there is an interest behind or something. It's like everyone can have the opportunity. If not, you will have the public minting, even the secondary market, and then we're coming with more women from Cosmos. So.
And this mint, you mentioned there were different races, different rarities. For this first 36, can you talk a little bit about what will be available in terms of the rarities?
Yes, for this Genesis drop, you're gonna find humans, which is the base, the more pieces that you will find on the collection, and also cyberpunks. So that will be the 2 races appearing in this Genesis drop. Well, if you go to my Discord, just for not taking too much time, you will find every race, like with the description, the story behind, and so on.
I'll definitely put that in the video description below. And the Discord, your Discord for your project is very convenient to search through in a very short amount of time, which is great. That's how I actually found all the information I needed for your project. So
thank you so much.
I definitely appreciate that. My least favorite thing to do is to go backwards, sifting through Discord chat, looking for, things that should be easily available on a website or something like that. But anyone who goes to the Discord will definitely agree. Yours is definitely nice and organized, and there's just no nonsense. It's focused on the mint, and it's focused on the actual project, which is great.
Yes, and actually that was my goal, because seriously, I know what you were saying. Like, I've been so lost in different Discord, like trying to find information, and you have to spend hours just scrolling to find something. So I wanted to have everything split, clear. Every new member could, just join and go through the different channel. Will have everything, and I'm updating, like with new updates and updating every channel. So.
No, it's great. It's definitely helpful to be able to just pop into Discord, read some things for a few minutes, get the information you need, and then pop back out. So okay, I wanted to ask about the future mints, if you have some time frame for when they will be and how many more there will be.
Well, actually, I really would love to reply to that question, but it's gonna be depending on Stargaze, I'm afraid. When I planned this project, I was thinking that the platform will be similar to OpenSea, or maybe even Stash, from Secret. That you go, you mint, you can add more pieces along the way. That was my thought, but it's not gonna be like that, not from the beginning. So actually, it will be depending on them. Also, the benefits here is more time, more pieces will be dropped. But if not, in the meantime, I will be, creating like giveaways, not also for whitelist, but also for NFTs and so on. So I want to keep people, stay there and wait for the next drop to come.
And just to be clear, it takes you some time to create these. You're doing them individually.
Yeah. Yeah, I wish I was, faster, but I'm not. I'm really, kind of perfectionist. I can change the background or whatever. If seriously the piece doesn't fit or doesn't tell me anything, I will change till I say, okay, now you can go. You're ready,
Got it.
So let's say I'm doing 2-3 women per day, but this means like doing anything else, which is what I've been doing actually, like seriously working non-stop on this, but really happy to be honest.
It's great. I think your project is going to probably attract people who are specifically going after collections that are really small. And this is the Genesis Mint on Stargaze. And I think projects with fewer pieces, fewer individual NFTs will be very attractive to people who maybe had no intention of minting on any Cosmos chain to begin with, maybe coming from Ethereum or coming from another chain like that.
Yeah, actually, with this collection, as I said, no, I've been working as one-on-one artist. I wanted to mix that one-on-one art with the PFP look, because obviously, and they all have the same base, let's say, but even though everyone is created hand-drawn one by one, so there you go, the two things together.
Well, this is a really nice project. I think that you balanced the art, the kind of the diligence of making each piece unique, and also planning a lot of utility for the community members to, with the NFT, they're involved in something that's going to last. It's not a one-off mint where once the person gets the NFT, they don't know what to do with it. They don't have any purpose anymore other than just to collect.
Yeah, exactly. Because I think with, big collection, okay, it's 100, but for me, it is big. I think with this kind of collection, we can really do great. And that's why I wanted to create it, because I've been thinking about doing something like this, I don't know, for ages. And now, thanks to NFTs, and then with Stargaze, was like, okay, that's my opportunity. So let's go to do it.
All right. Well, thank you for giving all this information. I'll direct viewers to your channels, and also you have a link tree with even your previous projects all in one convenient place. Thank you so much. I'm going to try to mint, but it's going to be really tough. It's only going to be, but I'll keep up with this project. There are a few in Stargaze that caught my attention. Everybody's getting their airdrops at the same time once they mint, so people are incentivized to mint. And
yeah, exactly. It's gonna be crazy. Like, seriously, I'm so excited to see how it's gonna be. I hope everything will run, smooth and good, but we'll see. We'll see.
I think depending on where people live, they'll be waking up in odd hours of the night to mint the project.
Yeah, actually, for me, I think it's gonna be during night. So, but anyway, I'm a night owl, so I'm gonna be awake.
Well, good luck with everything, and thanks again. I hope this goes really well. A lot of people are excited, so I can't wait to see how this 15 project launch works for Stargaze.
Yes, thank you. Thank you so much for having me here. And also, again, even if I told you before, like, I really appreciate the job you're doing it, because as we were saying, like, it's not very easy to find all the information clear, and you're putting there for people. So, I really appreciate that. It's really helpful. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. I would love to see you with your woman from Cosmos.
Well, I show off all my NFTs when I get them, so I'll definitely whatever I mint that day, by the next morning, everyone will know exactly what I have, because I like to display my NFTs. But again, good luck, and great talking to you. We'll see how it goes after the mint.
Okay, thank you so much.